Hey guys, what is going on? It's your girl Kandi, and today we are doing a colorful, bold, I'm coming at you look today. If you are my Kandi babes, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. I really do appreciate your love and support on your girl. And if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope this colorful look is helping you in some kind of way. That's why you came to my channel. I do love playing with color, so welcome. And yeah, without further ado guys, let's just go ahead and get to the damn thing. Okay guys, so this time it's a little different. Today we are starting off with my green brows already completely done. And now we're going to move on to doing the eyes. We're going to keep it super simple. We're going to hop into the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit. And we're going to take this shade and apply it all over the lid and then blend that out. Once that has been completely blended out, we're going to go in with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and we're going to take that very, very bright pink shade, and we're going to press it onto the concealer and then blend that outwards. Once it has been completely blended out, we're going to go in and just clean up under my eye and just make everything more sharp with a nice wipe. Just want to let you know I went ahead and finished my face off camera. And so back with the eyes, we're going to go in with the NYX Suede Matte Pencil, and this is in the shade Little Denim Dress. We're going to go ahead and apply that on my waterline. And now to make that blue really pop, we're going to go into this light blue shade and we're going to press that also on the waterline. So we're going to smoke it out with a shader brush. Okay guys, and to give my brows just a little bit more pop, I applied the remaining portions of that blue in the brow hairs to kind of have a fading effect. And then now off camera guys, I went ahead and placed my liner, mascara, as well as lashes. And now that those are completely done, we're now add some pop and jazz to the eyes. We're going to add some pink glitter. We're just going to press that onto the lid here. And then we are going to be done with the eyes, guys. So now for the last part, we're going to go in with the lips. We are going to go in first with Jeffree Star's Velour lipstick, and this is in the shade Crocodile Tears. Once that has been completely blended out, we're going to go in and just clean up under my eye and just make everything more sharp with a nice white. Once that's been filled out, we're going to go in with Sigma Beauty, and this is in the shade Fox Grove. We're going to place that directly in the middle and blend that out with my finger. So back with the eyes, we're going to go in with the NYX Suede Matte Pencil, and this is in the shade Little Denim Dress. And then to lighten up the middle, we're going to go in with the Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Shy. Place that also in the middle of the lips and we'll blend that out, and that will give you a nice ombre effect. And yeah guys, this is the final look. Super simple, super easy, and really freaking colorful. Alright, I'm going to stop talking and let's get back to that video. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I hope you like the way I recreated this look. If you would like to see how I did my brows colored, let me know down below. I kind of felt like you guys maybe not would want to see that, but if you do, let me know and I will totally do a color brow. I know they're kind of in trend right now, so you let me know what you would like to see. And if you did like the video, please, please, please give this video a good thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I do colorful looks like this all the time. I also do tags. I also do skincare. I also do a lot of different things. So if you want to check me out and see when I have another video uploaded, please, please, please go ahead and click on that bad boy. And if you're my Kandi babe, thank you so much guys for taking out the time again to watch out my content. I really do appreciate your love and support. And yeah, I will catch you guys at the next one. Peace. Just this. Lighten up the middle, we're going to go in with the Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Shy or Chai. And then we're going to place that also in the middle of the lips, and we'll blend that out, and that will give you a nice ombre effect. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. Super simple, super easy, and really freaking colorful. Alright, I'm going to stop talking and let's get back to that video.